Okay, Crewton Ramone's houseofmath.com. Sarah's first problem was x squared 12x and 27. Just started it off. Start off the day with some factoring. So she tried several different things, but finally came up with this. Right? Okay, excellent. So we have x squared, 9x, and 3 9s makes the 27. Right? Okay, so now she's about to write down the factors. And excellent. The only thing I would say is this needs to be a little closer together so that it's okay. But I mean, just so that you have multiplication. They're almost touching. Yep, there you go. Anyway, there you go. So the factors are x plus 9 and x plus 27.
The across is x plus 9. And the down is x plus 3.
Yep. The up is x plus 3. These, tradition in Hawaii, at graduation time, are lays in abundance. Wow, the breeze just picked up. It was a nice day. Look at that. That's a money lay. Pretty fun. Lots and lots. These are all the non-flower lays. The non-flower lays have already wilted and gone. Anyhow, so let's do. What if I just change the number? I'm just fooling around with this, and I just change this part. And right over here instead, write x squared, 12x, and I don't know, 36, just for fun. Pretty easy. Yep, get rid of that. How come you're grabbing 6s? Because it's done. Okay.
The across is x plus 6. And the across is x plus 6.
So how am I going to write that?
Same thing.
Yep, so how am I going to write that? Can I change it? Can I use less symbols?
Well, let's erase that.
Okay. And then what do we do?
Leave like that.
And then do what? Can't just leave it like that because that just says x plus 6. What do we have to do to the x plus 6? Thinking. I should get mu and Math Bunny over here. How's that? Does that make sense? What does that mean?
No, it's double x plus double x plus 6.
Double it. It's multiplied by itself, not just doubling. Doubling would mean multiplied by 2. I had this conversation with a math teacher once, and their textbook the verbiage was incorrect. We're not doubling. It's x plus 6 times x plus 6. That's what that means. So that means that both factors are x plus 6. And the whole thing is x squared, 12x, and 36. Make sense? Super easy, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so we change it and make it, instead of 36, we'll make it, what can we make it? Let's make it, how about 32? I'll just change that part. What do you think? Give it a try. Same amount of x.
Already.
You already know what it is. What's it going to be? There you go. It's definitely super easy, right? I think it's time to get a different problem. In fact, you already know that it's going to be x plus 8, x plus 4. So we're not going to spend the time to write it down because you already know what the factors are. Super easy. Let's do it. Let's change it. Dun -dun -dun -dun. See, like I said, the mind wants to work fast. You want to do lots of problems in an hour to make lots of impressions and get add-ins and multiplication working all at once, along with the algebra. And the more you do, the faster it goes. Wait a minute. The faster it goes, the more you do. Something like that. Okay, so let's make it 13. And we'll make it 40. Now what are you going to do? Okay, great. So fast, just tell me the factors.
Okay.
Just tell me, you don't even write them down.
Cross is.
Okay, or you can write them down.
X plus 8.
Mm-hmm.
And the upper kind.
The up is?
And the up is
the other
X
factor.
plus 5.
So what we have there is X plus 8 times X plus 5 gives us X squared, 13X, and 40, right?
Yes.
So we throw some negative ones in there? What do you think? Like where I have like X squared minus X plus 6 or something like that? Or excuse me, minus X minus 6? Want to try one like that?
Sure.
Okay. Let's get that on film. So here I have X squared minus X minus 6. So we didn't use the other kind of 6. We didn't use this kind of 6 because we have enough experience. We know that when we do that, it doesn't work, right? Or oftentimes it's hard to use this kind of 6. So we're going to use the kind of 6 that's already broken up. We could have used 2s, but 3s are faster. Now, dun, 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 build me a rectangle using these. Now what do you need? You need hero 0. No, you just added a bunch. So here's how we're going to do it in a methodical fashion. Add 1, take away 1. See that? We added 0. Right? Okay. Do I have enough room?
No.
Alright, so let's add another one. Take away another one. Now do I have enough room?
Yes.
Okay. So now I have it factored. What are the factors? Can you read them?
X squared.
X.
X. Minus.
Is it minus or plus?
Plus.
How many? Don't look at this. Look at what you have. X
squared.
Well, the whole thing is X squared.
Yeah.
And I'm minus an X because I owe 3 and I have 2. Remember that? If I owe 3 and I have 2.
Plus 2.
So there's plus 2, but there's minus 3, so I'm minus X. And then I'm minus 6. Okay, so now I'm looking at it. And how far is it from here to here? X plus how many?
X plus 2.
Right. Now, how far is it from here to here? Is it all the way up X? Or do we cut some off?
No, we cut them off.
How much did we cut off?
Cut off 3.
There you go. So how would I write cut off 3? Well, I see here that I have X plus 2 and X, but I didn't go all the way up X.
Nope.
I cut some off, minus 3. See that? And when I add them together, when I get these guys together, I'll wind up with 3x minus 2x, negative, or excuse me, the other way around. Negative 3x, positive 2x, and when I put them together, I get minus x.
Yeah.
Right?
Positives inside. Negatives outside.
Okay. And when I multiply this, I'd even look at it. X times x, x squared. X times negative 3, negative 3x. 2 times x, 2 times x. And 2 times negative 3, negative 6. Right? Okay. Want to try another one?
Sure.
Shall I give you, you want me to give you the factors and then you build it? Or you want me to give you the rectangle and you tell me the factors?
Do the same thing, like...
Okay.
Like 2 minuses.
Okay. Alright, easy. So, let's make this... Are you sick?
Yeah.
Minus 2x. Too much partying for graduation.
Well, I think somebody coughed on me.
You think somebody coughed on you and then you got it?
Yeah.
Okay, so let's do 15. Make it slightly bigger.
Wow.
Not too bad. Is that hard?
No, go try that.
Okay, try it.
Okay.
Get that out of there. So now we start off with minus 2x minus 15. So put the minus 2x in there. Start off with that, you know that. And now the minus 15. How are you going to make minus 15 you think would be the smartest way to make minus 15?
Let's add that.
Wait a second, we haven't got the minus 15 in there yet.
Huh?
The minus 15. How are you going to make the minus 15? Before you even play with these, you've got to set up the whole thing. I'm x squared and minus 2x. Where's my minus 15? Wait, now you're minus 5x. You never got out your minus 15. You need to get out minus 15. Oh, sure, there you go. So you got out, what did you get out?
15.
Okay, how did you get it? What did you get out? You got 3 5s. Okay, so stick those guys up here. Now you got to make everything fit. So add 1, take away 1.
1.
Right? Hero 0! There you go. So now we can fit 3.
Okay, another one.
Okay, another one. Another one. Oh.
One more.
One more. So actually you could have just added 3 and taken away 3, huh?
And here we go.
And there it is. Comes with some sound effects. Excellent. Right? Okay. So now what?
Okay. It's 3.
It's x plus?
It's x plus 3.
Mm-hmm.
But it's cut off by 5.
Okay, so what am I gonna write? What am I gonna write for factors? X plus
3.
There you go.
X minus 5.
Oh, excellent. Okay. Good stuff. Pretty simple?
Yeah.
Okay. Easy and fun. Alright. Shall we do more?
Yes, please.
Okay, excellent.
Tread.
Okay, so by request, you wanted a big one. Still got the other one in there. So now we have x squared plus 3x minus 28. So start off with plus 3x. That's minus 3x. So where does plus 3x? Yep, sure. And then what are we going to do with 28? What do you think we're going to have for 28? Gotta get some units out. Where are you going to get 28? The concentration on her face. Oh, you're going to go with 7s? I like 7s. 7's a good one to go with 28.
Alright.
Alrighty. So we're minus, so those guys go on top. Alright, how are you going to make them fit? Gonna have to get out a Hero 0! Gonna have to fit some guys. What do you think? Yeah, that's good. Good. See, method. There's 2 more, so take away 2 more. Oops, you took away 3 more. Oh, you're taking away a bunch. Now hold on a second. You just made it fit, but you didn't add 0. You actually wound up subtracting. So we can't just do what we want. We had that, right? So I could add, if you want to try and fit these guys on here. Oh, I see what you wanted to do. You wanted to try to fit them on like that, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Well, let's see. So that would be I'd only 1 and 1, and we can't make a fit that way. Right? So I'd have to add, I'm going to wind up going like this, I bet you. So I'm going to,
oh, really?
in fact, look, yeah, can you see? Hold that like that, could you? Okay, hold it. Okay. So now we look at that, and look over here. How many more do I need?
You need 3 more.
And then what about over here? Will fit. How many will fit?
You have to get 3 more too.
Alright, so I take away 3.
6 blocks.
Take away 3. And then I add 3.
Oh.
See that? Hero 0! I added 3, I subtracted 3. And actually when I started out from the beginning, I added 4 and I subtracted 4. right?
Oh, there you go.
Does it work?
Mm-hmm.
Can you tell me the factors?
Oh.
Okay, nicely built. There you go. What are the factors?
X plus 7.
Mm-hmm.
X minus 4.
Very good. Fine job. Okay, let's do some problem solving. That's good. We're going to do a few of these, and you get used to these. And these are getting easier and easier, huh?
Yeah.
Every time we do them, they get easier. Okay, so let's do some problem solving. Because problem solving still poses problems. Little joke. Okay, so there's... Let's get rid of this. This is the old problem. There's 2x plus 2 is the same thing as x plus 5. Can you set that up?
Huh?
Can you set it up? 2x plus 2. Here, I'll do it. 2x, grab me 2.
Okay.
Okay. Okay, good, good, good. Should put some symbols in there. Now, tell me what x is. How do I solve it? Take away the stuff that's same, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Don't look at me, just do it. Then what? Can I make a 2? Can I make a 5 with a 2? Can I?
Yeah?
Make a 5 with a 2. Let's get rid of that. Grab a 2 over here. And what else do you need to make 5?
Oh.
Now, do you see stuff the same?
Yep.
Okay, so what does x equal?
X equals 3.
Okay. So let's tell you what, you hold the camera. Hold the camera. And just keep it up like that so you can see. So what do we do? What we did was, first thing we did is we took away x. And we took away x. 0, 0. Right. There they are, the 2 x's we took away. Then we took away 2, and we took away 2. 0, 0. And then we wound up with x equals 3.
3?
Just like that. X equals 3. Make sense?
Yeah.
Okay, let's go now. Super easy, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
It's really easy.
Good. Okay, we're getting it. Wait a minute now. That's, you'd subtracted 3. You're gonna.
Okay.
Okay, I forgot to turn the camera on. We're taking away 2.
Okay.
Alright, so we took away 2x. Then we had 0, 0 hiding over there. So we wound up adding 3 to make a 0, basically, right? Or we find, let's see, you'll hear me say this numerous times in numerous videos, where when I have 0, 0 show up, see 0, 0? Now we can easily see the stuff that's in. Right? So now I have 3x equals 12. What do we have to do? We have to rearrange this and make it so that one side is 3. Right? Remember that? Okay, so she's going to have to trade pieces in, and I'm almost out of battery, so I'm going to stop and we'll wait. Okay, so she got 3s. And now we can see we have a rectangle.
12.
Yes, it's 12 because you added 3, right? So now I have this 3 and that 3 are same, and now this x and this have to be same. So what's this? Can you just write? Good. Fine. So write down the answer for me, and we'll do the steps too. Let's move this out of the way, move this out of the way, and you'll see how it all goes together. So we took away 2x, and we took away 2x. Right? Then we added 3, and we added 3. And the way we did that was with 0, 0, right? So here's that, here's that, and now x equals 4. Right? And if x equals 4, what does it say? That says 5 times 4 is 20 minus 3 is 17. 2 times 4 is 8 plus 9 is 17. 17 equals 17 every time. Make sense?
Mm-hmm.
Was that hard?
No.
Can you do it all by yourself? I think you could. Alright, excellent. So, where did I go for more information? Can you remember?
Crewton
Ramone's House of Math.
CrewtonHouseOfMath.com.
There you go.